welcome to Creativity Boost. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up the Xiaomi Aqara doorknob. You can watch the video of us unpacking it by clicking the white card on the top right corner or by clicking the link down in the description below. Let's get started. Now we're going to show you how to add a fingerprint. Log in with your master fingerprint, click the keys 1, 1, and then 1 again. Then add the fingerprint you want to add. Try putting the finger at different positions so it logs in better. Put it in multiple times until the light turns green. Remember to test if the new fingerprint works. Test a couple times as it might not work in the first try. Next, we will show you how to add a key code. It's like a PIN or password. It's a series of numbers, a six-digit number with which you can log back in. To add a key code, click 1, 2, and then 1 again, and then click the numbers that you want your key code to be. You need to put in the PIN twice, and after that, remember to test to see if it works well, and write down the PIN, so you don't forget it. To delete a key code, click the keys 2, 2, and then the key code number starting the second key being 1 as soon as you log in with your master fingerprint. Remember to test it later to see if the key code was successfully deleted. It works. Now we are going to show you guys how to delete a fingerprint. To delete a fingerprint, you need to log in with your master fingerprint and click the key 2, 1, and then the fingerprint number. We are going to delete the second fingerprint. Remember to test that the fingerprint that you just deleted doesn't work anymore. Seems good. To reset the whole doorknob, click the small button on the right side with something thin, like a knife. Hold the button for about 8 seconds until the lady starts talking. Note that by resetting the whole thing, it is the only way to delete the master PIN and fingerprint. As soon as the lady starts talking, you can release the button and add your master fingerprint. And remember to test afterwards. So guys, we hope over here. Yes, this way. Yes, over here. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe and tell about this awesome channel to your friends. And well, bye. See you guys next time.